everybody, and welcome to Explore Science, the channel where we learn about scientific phenomena through fun and exciting experiments. I'm Jonathan Lovegrove. Today, we're going to be talking about exploding grain. When you think about grain or flour, you usually don't think of it burning. And if you put a match up to it, it won't burn, as seen in this clip. But when grain particles are separate, they easily light on fire, as shown in this clip. This is what causes some factories to burn on fire as grain catches on fire. Look at this in slow-mo as the fire quickly spreads from particle to particle and burns up all the flour. I thought I'd go over to my friend's house and do a short experiment. I got a metal tube, I put flour in it. Then my friend blew through the tube. When the flour came out, I was holding a match at the other end, and whoosh, flamethrower. Thank you for listening to Explore Science. If you liked this episode, please subscribe for more.